Dry, wet, naked, dirty.
What?
Hiral is at 25 points and Urmin is at 10 points.
है? You said जिसका बेस्ट होगा तो उसको देगी.
तेरा anyways worst था तो हिरल को चलो.
I think मेरे साथ नाइंसाफी हो रही है, पॉलिटिक्स हो रहा है guys.
ज्यादा रोएगी तो भी 5 पॉइंट माइनस कर दूंगी.
I would also like to change the host.
Which time for the side diss? The diss round.
It's okay that I diss you, right, Nisha? Then
Challenging
you should
the
totally.
host and all. Wow, guts. I think this round Hiral has won.
Okay. मैं जा रही हूँ.
Game on. Game on. Game on, bestie. वेलकम टू द चैनल जहां मैं और मेरे बेस्टीज हर हफ्ते कोशिश करते हैं एक दूसरे की काटने की. An internal competition that absolutely nobody asked for. My name is Nisha and I believe आज के जो participants हैं उनसे कई गुना better मैं हूँ. लेकिन if you are interested in watching some mediocre players tackle some intelligent questions, then this is the game for you. Without much further ado, let me introduce the participants. Bestie number 1 is somebody who would refuse. अगर पानी पूरी भैया एक फ्री सूखा पूरी भी दे तो वो रिफ्यूज कर देंगे क्योंकि वो इतने रिच है. Presenting Hiral Malde.
Hello.
How do you feel about this competition, Hiral?
I'm very excited and yes.
Participant number 2, bestie number 2, ये वो है, how do I put it? She is somebody who would actually negotiate with the same Pani Puri Bhaiya to get extra free Suka Puris and then call it a branded collab. Presenting Urmin Vijayakar.
Hello. Oh, sorry. My manager decided to just come in.
How excited are you guys to win this competition?
I just want to say something before we start. Like, ये जो planned आपका introduction था निशा, वो इतना natural था. It was like just, I mean, I think Vishal Bhardwaj is super excited to call you up for his
I'm
next
recording
film.
it. I can totally cut this crap. And because आप इतने
And
smart बन रहे हो तो -10 आपकी शुरुआत में ही मैं करती हूँ.
yes, I'm so
भाई ये
excited for this.
-10 return भी नहीं करेगी. She has a habit of returning things.
Okay. So, like you guys know, this today's quiz is all about food. Everything is related to food, and it is divided into multiple courses. Okay. So there are 4 rounds, and everything is around food. There are multiple courses and also side dishes. साइड डिश बेसिकली
किस लाइन में घुस गए आप?
हाँ, तो साइड डिश में आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी है बोनस पॉइंट्स कमाने का. ठीक है. सो आई
अच्छा,
होप यू गाइस
ठीक है.
हैव गुड डिशेस विद यू. So let's start with the first round. First round is called the welcome drink round. Game on. So in this round, I'll be asking one question to each of y'all. Okay? There's no buzzer. एक सवाल एक को पूछा जाएगा. सही जवाब का 10 पॉइंट है. नेगेटिव नहीं है इस राउंड के लिए. However, if you are unable to answer the question passes to the next person. They can answer it for 5 points and also an opportunity to attempt the next question. ठीक है? Okay, let's start. So the first question for the first round goes to Hiral. Okay? Dry, wet, naked, dirty.
Martini.
Yes, absolutely. 10 points to Hiral.
वाओ, जो पीती नहीं है. क्या बात है? क्या बात है? Knowledgeable.
क्या बात है? Next question to Urmin. Chocolate dash टॉफिया. ये सारी चीजों का निशा को बिल्कुल शौक नहीं है. Tell it in the same order.
Chocolate, lime juice, ice cream, toffee.
Points. Okay. Next question to Hiral.
Excuse me, how is this a welcome drink, by the way?
ये आइसक्रीम पीते ये भी पिघलने के बाद पी सकते हैं.
मेरे को लगा चॉकलेट मिल्कशेक
ओवर स्मार्ट क्वेश्चनिंग के लिए थोड़ा
Oh no,
नहीं कर सकते.
मैं ऑलरेडी माइनस में हूँ.
इसका खाता खुला माइनस नेगेटिव बैलेंस.
ठीक है, अभी हिरल का नेक्स्ट सवाल. Which global beverage brand has been a continuous sponsor of the Olympic Games since 1928, making it the longest running sponsorship in the sports, in the history of sports?
Coca-Cola.
Absolute, my God. Next question to Urmin. Bapi
Is it a oh Bapi wow वापस Bapi यानी सुबह उठ के क्या पीते थे?
plan this. Bapi Lahiri sang Ab Parampara Nahi, Param 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 Parampara for the launch of Vanilla Coke in India. Who was the actor featuring in the ad?
What?
Vanilla Coke जब इंडिया में लॉन्च हुआ, there was an actor in the ad. He dressed up as Bapi Lahiri, Amitabh Bachchan, and he was dancing with this retro hairstyle and kept saying "Wakaw, wakaw."
Is it Amir Khan?
No, Hiral, the question passes to you for 5 points.
Ranveer Singh.
No,
It was Ranbir Kapoor.
Hrithik.
no,
Varun Dhawan.
no. Vanilla Coke Vanilla launched बहुत पहले.
Shah Rukh Khan.
No, okay, I'll give a clue. Whoever
Coke नहीं
gets
ना,
it,
Pepsi,
उसको
Shah Rukh Khan
plus
का
5 मिलेगा. This is a guy who's very famous for a slap.
Shah Rukh Khan was
A
famous for
slap.
slap.
No, more people?
Shirish Kundar and Shah Rukh.
Govinda.
No. Okay, his
Yes,
father also
Salman Khan.
या इसी का नाम है. His father also.
Farooq
Vivek Oberoi. Vivek Oberoi. Vivek Oberoi. Vivek Oberoi.
Vivek Oberoi.
Correct. Urmin
मैं
gets it.
दिया जवाब.
Plus 5. Yeah,
एक
you're
minute. Vivek Oberoi. I want to see this ad.
see the ad.
Bapi
I
Lahiri.
don't
He
know.
became.
Arey, Bapi Lahiri sang and he's dressed up like Amitabh, like Jeetu, and then he's done this retro hairstyle and he does wow, wow.
Wow, yeah. Vivek Oberoi was also doing Coca-Cola ads.
Yeah.
कमाल है.
Urmin got this. So next question to Hiral. Which alcoholic drink is made from the agave plant?
I
Wow.
like how you're asking alcoholic
I
drinks to
know.
her.
I know.
It's
Agave
very
plant
plant.
is definitely not vodka. Rum?
No. Urmin?
No.
Urmin,
Is it
don't-
gin?
No. Okay, I'll give a clue. Anybody can answer. Okay. Shots होता है.
Tequila.
Correct. See, technically the question was for Hiral, so this question should be ideally to Urmin. So I'll ask Urmin.
But I get
Yeah,
5
yeah.
points for the
Yeah,
earlier.
you get 5 points.
Yeah.
Okay. Last question for this round. Okay. Screwdriver, rusty nail, yellow hammer, chainsaw. इनमें से क्या पिया नहीं जा सकता? I think we've given you 2
I will go with rusty nail.
No, wrong. Hiral, your turn.
Chainsaw.
Correct.
I was
Absolutely.
thinking that.
Everything else is a cocktail. Screwdriver,
Yeah, I know.
yellow hammer, but chainsaw is not. Yeah, that brings us to the end of the first round, guys. Congratulations, we did it with less chaos.
I just want to say that I'd like to also give marks points to the host because
I want to
some
give
questions were like
minus
very
20.
random.
I agree.
I want
Can
to
we
give
rate the host?
minus 5 to both of y'all.
Thanks.
I'm going to give you one camel.
Hiral is at 25 points and Urmin is at 20. No, Urmin is at 10 points
Huh?
because you got a minus 10 at the start.
This is always, you guys always use. मैं नहीं खेल रही, मेरे को खेलना ही नहीं है. You know, I put my baby to sleep because
ज्यादा
of you
रोने
guys.
के लिए भी
I
I
would
can
have
give you
no
minus.
शर्म.
Okay. हाँ, ज्यादा रोएगी तो भी 5 पॉइंट माइनस कर दूंगी. ठीक है, तो
I
ज्यादा.
would also like to change the host.
Okay,
I
guys,
have.
but
The co-
here is a
the
golden
co-participant.
opportunity for us to get bonus points. Bonus points.
Dissing.
Because now it's time for the side diss. The diss round. Game on. Any of y'all can actually diss the other and get an opportunity to get plus 10. Who wants to start?
I can start. I only have one though.
That's okay. That's okay.
Amazon and Myntra people know Urmin's history. The amount of returns she has done. History, like pura history, geography,
shit.
everything they know.
Okay.
Okay.
I suck at it.
Can I go now? Can I say something now?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so guys, whoever are watching this and who know Hiral very well, आपको पता होगा कि that the one thing that we always associate her with is that Hiral is very rich. So I'm going to say a few things and you'll have to ask me. I mean, Nisha, you have to ask me how rich is Hiral? Hiral is rich.
How rich is Hiral?
Hiral is so rich that she will ask you 100 रुपए है क्या? When you say no, she'll be like कोई बात नहीं, ये 1000 रख.
ये
Hiral
तारीफ
is
हुआ
so
है,
rich.
diss नहीं.
Hiral is so rich that once she sponsored a child's education. Today he's called Elon Musk. Hiral is so rich that Meeta Ambani invites her to play Ludo. And Hiral is so rich that one day she saw Nisha wearing the same outfit as her. तो उसने दोनों के लिए कपड़े खरीदे ताकि मैच ही ना हो.
Good one. But I think this round, Hiral has won.
Okay, मैं जा रही हूँ. This is too much.
Because
This is the
एक
worst.
line में she's actually removed Urmin's history, present,
Geography also.
future. So Hiral gets 10 points.
Can I please one more time, please, one more time, please.
Good job, Hiral.
In my next dish, I'll try again. And
Yeah,
I'll only give one line.
yeah, okay. Okay, chalo. So the next round, this is the second round, which is the starters round. Game on. Okay, this is very, very simple because
Sorry, one minute time, please. Are you going to talk in this tone again, or you want to change it back now?
I want to change it. I can't do that. Okay.
You're
so
not able to, right?
Yeah, I can't. Okay, in this round, it's very simple for me because I will give the answer. You have to give the question. I will give you all an answer. इसके associated क्या best question हो सकता है ये आपको मुझे देना है, ठीक है? And it depends
बहुत
on
सही,
me. अगर मुझे अच्छा लगा तो मैं +10 या +100.
मतलब मैं तो हारने वाली हूँ, ये श्योर है. मैं खेल क्यों रही हूँ मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
So Urmin, your first answer is French fries.
How can I eat a burger alone? Is my question.
Answer is what? How can
French fries. Okay, no. Can I get a side? Can I get a side to my burger?
No, that's the answer. How's the answer?
I think मेरे साथ नाइंसाफी हो रही है, politics हो रहा है, guys.
Then your answer is spring roll.
Spring roll. What is the starter which vegetarians, Chinese starter which vegetarians non-paneer वाला order करते हैं?
A good collaboration between Hindi and English.
मुझे पता था.
Okay, I think it's a second time you can attempt, Urmin. Don't worry.
I don't know why.
Okay. Next answer to Urmin. Hummus.
I don't know how to make a question. Like मुझे समझ नहीं रहा है.
Just ask one question. Don't ask too many questions.
Okay.
She's buying time. She's buying time.
What is this one dish that Dubai is famous
Too much
for?
time. Minus time.
I'm just trying to play it simple. Can I try again? Please.
Okay, go.
वो कौन सा डिश है जिसको अगर रात को भिगोया नहीं तो सुबह बनेगा नहीं? हमस.
Chole. But I'll see how Hiral fares and then decide if I have to give you points. Okay, Hiral, your answer.
She
just gave like a bloody vegetarian
Why can't
nonsense
I
dish.
answer the same thing? She has very fun things.
No, he's just ruined it. I'll give it a. Hiral, your answer is chicken tikka.
Vegetarian का non-veg बोल दिया. वाह वाह वाह.
क्यों? अल्कोहल वाले ड्रिंक्स भी पता है ना तुझे?
when vegetarians order chicken tikka, when vegetarians order paneer
Urmin
tikka,
gets
what do
10 points.
non-vegetarians
Urmin
order?
gets 10 points. Urmin gets 10
For
points.
what? For
You
what?
wait, you fumbled. You fumbled.
Just because
Very
you
simple.
fumbled.
You could have just said, what is that one dish that I will definitely not eat if ordered? Chicken tikka.
But that can be chicken biryani also.
Yeah.
I would like to appeal to change the host,
Yeah, I
please.
would-
We need
I
a
agree. What are these?
guys. I'm
points?
starting my new podcast.
The next answer to Urmin. Crispy corn.
What is the one thing I would never order at a restaurant,
Okay, wait, one
but
second.
use it to throw it on Nisha's face? Crispy corn. Winner.
I would have gone for ऐसा क्या है जो खाओ तो अगले दिन सुबह अपने पोटी में आए? Crispy corn.
Okay, first of all, तूने already तेरे questions सोच रखे हैं and you want us to match it with you. Okay, हम तेरे जैसे अपना पॉटी सुबह को चेक नहीं करते कि वो क्या तैर रहा है, अच्छा वो कौन है, हाँ कल खाया था, ठीक है ना?
I
यहाँ
don't know
फिलहाल
these people.
मैं सिर्फ एक ही
Zaban,
चीज पे
too
आजकल
much is happening. Too much Zaban. -5.
क्या ही करेगी तू और क्या
Minus
लेगी अब
5,
मुझसे?
-5.
हाँ
Okay,
मेरे
last
रिंग ले लेगी
answer.
और कुछ नहीं.
Last answer to Hiral. Seekh kebab.
See kebab. What is a very dry starter you'll order and have chutney with?
I think you guys have fared very badly this round. Y'all could have had a very good.
Probably it wasn't a good
How about
round, just
French
letting you
fries?
know.
No,
This is very
-5
nice.
for Urmin.
और उसको वो hummus में +10 क्यों मिला मेरे को अभी तक नहीं समझ रहा है. But
उसको
ठीक है.
-10 भी तो मिला.
अरे छोड़, मैं कुछ नहीं जीत, मैं कुछ नहीं मिल रहा मुझे यहाँ पे.
Last question
Second
mein
round.
Urmin gets -5. Okay. So now this
Yeah.
second round, total
Okay.
points. Urmin gets 0. And Hiral gets +10.
For what? Wow.
For just being not Urmin. Simple.
No, I answered nicely. That कौन सा था वो?
Yeah,
मैंने
yeah,
अच्छा
yeah.
बोला
That
था.
one.
Guys,
Basically,
मैंने आज तुम लोग के लिए मेरे बाल स्ट्रेटन किए for the shit. ओके, और भूख लग रही है मुझे.
I
आज
like
मैंने
what is it? What
क्या
is
मंगाया हमने? केसिडिया मंगाया आज.
quesadilla. Okay.
With hummus.
Spelling बोल quesadilla का पहले. I'll give you
नहीं
+10.
बोलनी चाहिए. 100
Plus
minus
15 दूंगी
100.
मैं तेरे को. बोल अभी बोल. +15 दूंगी.
KAISADIYA.
Fuck off. कैसे दिया?
कैसे दिया? भैया कैसे दिया?
जल्दी
Second
करो.
round के end में the final point system. Urmin is at 10 points. Total. First and second.
Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll.
I am not doing anything for that.
Hiral is at 45 points.
What?
उर्मिन कैसा लग रहा है? आप सेकंड गेम भी हार रहे हो.
मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं अपना स्लिप डिस्क का इस्तेमाल करूँ. स्लिप डिस्क, सॉरी, whatever that was, ताकि मुझे
Side disc.
100
Side
points and side disc.
That's absolutely right. What a beautiful segue, because now it's time for the side dish. Let's go, Urmin.
So I thought that I'll write something for Nisha, the amazing host. Okay, and it's okay that I diss you, right, Nisha? Come on, I think if you have the guts and you like what I'm writing, then you
Challenging
should
the
totally.
host and all. Wow, guts.
So, Nisha has never paid full price for anything in her life. Not food, not drinks, definitely not feelings. अगर सेल पर ना हो तो शी इज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. मेरी दोस्ती भी. निशा enters a bar and the bar changes their happy hour का timings. Because she treats free drinks like it's a personal challenge from God. Nisha is small and she is loud, just like a pressure cooker, full of heat. कभी भी फट सकता है. In a crowded place, I don't need to find her. Her voice finds me.
That's true. That's very true, actually.
Nisha is so chindi that she goes to the ATM and tries to remove 5 rupees का coin. And you are one of my favorite person because तू वो दोस्त है जो free में भी महंगी है.
वाह.
इसी बात में Urmin gets +30.
So that you can just make it equal. क्या है ये? What the hell? +30?
Okay, so +20. After the second round, Urmin is at 35, I think.
10 से 35
Oh,
मतलब
नहीं,
plus
30.
20 दिया ना
पांच
उसको
कहाँ से आया?
Sorry.
हाँ मैं वही
Urmin is at 30 and Hiral is at 45.
Triple host.
and a scorekeeper.
Worst host
I
ever.
want to see y'all do both, huh? Next, whenever y'all host. This is the third round. It's
Main
called
course.
the
Main course. No
That's right.
surprises.
+5 for guessing the rhyme correctly. Okay. So, main course round. I'll be asking questions जिसके सारे जवाब B से शुरू होंगे. B for biryani. ठीक है? And this round is a buzzer round. If you get the correct answer, then you get 10 points. If you don't get, you get negative 10 points also. ठीक है? So, negative points है. Are we ready, guys? Okay.
ये मैं जीतूंगी.
चलो, let's start. 10 seconds में answer देना है after the buzz, okay? If you don't, you will automatically get minus. First question. A crunchy sweet made with sugar and butter, most enjoyed in ice creams. Hiral buzzed first.
Butterscotch.
Correct. +10. Next question. Cream, cocoa, Irish whiskey come together to create this delicious alcoholic beverage. Urmin buzzed first.
Baileys.
Correct. Next question. A French bread that looks like a cricket bat. Hiral buzzed first.
Baguette.
Correct. Next question. A round sandwich usually made with a patty. Urmin buzzed first.
Bagel.
Wrong.
Burger.
Hiral got it.
Hey, एक मिनट 10 सेकंड था. मैं 10 सेकंड में कितने भी आंसर दे सकती थी. So you could choose the right one. Burger.
जवाब देते कैंसिल हो गया. Hiral
This
got
is not fair.
Okay. Next. A type of white sauce usually used in lasagna made with mixing cheese, flour, milk, and butter. Hiral buzz first.
Bechamel sauce.
That's correct, actually. Okay. Last
मैं सब
question.
खाती हूँ यार. मैं सब नजर नहीं देती है सब.
Last question. Monkeys, gym trainers, and me personally love this fruit. Urmin buzz first.
Banana.
That's right. Absolutely. 10 points. And that brings us to the end of
Very nice. This was a very nice round.
Yeah.
Nice.
Also, I thought it was a little fair.
By the end of this round, Hiral gets 40 points and Urmin gets 10 points. So, total score bolu? Total score, Urmin abhi tak is on 30 plus 10, 40 points. And Hiral is at 90 points.
Oh my God. Do we need to play the
I'm ready
fourth
to
round?
diss. I'm ready to diss. I'm
We
ready
need
to
to
diss
play the
again.
fourth round.
I am ready to do
let's
side
just
diss
declare a
again.
winner.
Arre,
No, this is too much.
Dismay, you can get a lot of points. Chal. Let's
हाँ
go.
मैं हीरल को डिस करने वाली हूँ
Yeah,
अभी
let's
और
go.
एक ही
Come
लाइन
on.
में बोलूंगी.
Yes.
हीरल की क्वालिटी एक है, वो कभी भी ना नहीं बोल सकती है. वो इतनी स्ट्रांग है इस मामले में कि वो ना बोल ही नहीं सकती है. फॉर सम रीजन आई थिंक उसको बियर बाइसेप से ऑफर आया था पॉडकास्ट के लिए, लेकिन हमने पहले उसको पूछा इसीलिए शायद शी इज योर.
Is it true?
No.
बट फॉर दैट ट्रूथ 80 पॉइंट्स.
Hiral, because you can never say no, do you think I should give Urmin 50 points for this?
50. You
Yeah.
can give half, but yeah, please give.
Hiral almost married a stalker because he asked her, he proposed to her.
I don't know,
think
but I
I'll
feel
go
all of this that you're saying is true.
I actually switched off my phone so because I
Okay,
could not
because
see.
Urmin is trying so hard, we will give her 50 points, and that makes Urmin's score also 90. Woohoo!
Okay, there is no way I'm going to win this because no matter what,
We are-
she's going
we
to
are
match the score.
tied.
She's
We are
never
tied.
giving me.
भाई सीधा
Fine,
plus
fine.
50 दे दिया.
आपके scores tied है. Now we have one last round. Can we?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
last round. Okay.
Dessert round. Can I get plus 10 for this? Plus 50
Absolutely.
for this?
Absolutely, for paying so close attention and appreciating the minute details of the round. He will get 10 points, making her score to 100. Okay.
Nisha, I just want to say that
Century,
you're looking so
century.
pretty and I love what you're wearing.
कुछ
I
ज्यादा ही
think
मस्का
you're
मारी है. -10. Urmin. So Urmin is starting the last round on 80. Come on. Game on. Game on. Last round, dessert round, my favorite. But कहते हैं मेहनत का फल मीठा होता है. ठीक है. So if you have to reach this,
minus 200 to the host for this shit.
and that is why you have to do little bit of mehnat to get the dessert. In this round, okay, there is only one thing that you have to do. Each of y'all, I will give y'all one dish, one dessert. आपको इसका recipe बताना है. But it can't be so simple. I will also give an emotion attached to it, and you will have to explain the recipe with that emotion.
Urmin, you please take the cake. I give up. I give
What do
up.
I get? I want to know what
And
will I
this
get?
is
How
a
many
massive
points?
round, okay? It's plus 50 and no negatives. Don't make
Urmin,
that face.
लेके जाओ आप.
And what
आप
about
लेके जाओ.
partiality? Just want to know what about partiality?
Urmin, आप लेके जाओ. Cake walk. This is a
So,
cake walk.
We start this round. Who wants to go first? Hiral or Urmin?
Hiral.
Okay.
Yeah, because I will suck at it.
No, don't say that. I am scoring, so you might not.
Yeah, Hiral, don't worry about it. No matter how good I am, you're going to win.
So the dish जिसका recipe तुमको बोलना है, the dish is tiramisu, and the emotion is sorrow, sad. So timer for 30 seconds हम रख रहे हैं, okay? ठीक है, चलो. Lights, camera, action.
गाइस तिरामिसू कैसे बनाते हैं. पहले आप बिस्किट, कौन सा भी बिस्किट ले लो, लेडी फिंगर हो या मारी बिस्किट हो, कौन सा भी ले लो, उसको कॉफी वाले पानी में डुबा डुबा के एक लेयर बनाना है. वो लेयर के ऊपर आपको क्रीम चीज डालना है. वो अमूल का क्रीम चीज क्यों ना हो, फ्रिज में पड़ा हो. मास्क पर हम इटली में तो रहते ही नहीं है, तो कहाँ से मिलेगा अपने को. सो वी कांट यूज दैट. उसके ऊपर वापस बिस्किट लगाओ, वापस वो लगाओ. और सॉरी, वो क्रीम चीज में शुगर ऐड करना है. मैं बताना भूल गई. उसमें शुगर वनीला वो डाल देना. आई मीन आई एम सॉरी, वो सब डाल देना. और फिर ऐसे 4-5 लेयर कर दो. ऊपर से आपको डस्ट करना होता है कोको पाउडर ना हो तो कॉफी पाउडर डाल दो और फ्रिज में डाल दो. एंड देन जस्ट सर्व इट कोल्ड.
Mood change करो, music change करो. Good job. Okay, now let's see. I'll give the points after Urmin's performance, okay? Urmin, so your recipe is jalebi.
कैसे बनाते जलेबी?
जलेबी.
And your emotion is lust. Okay, so the timer for 30 seconds is on. Lights, camera, action.
Round, round, round. Full stop. जलेबी बनाना कितना आसान है अगर आपके हाथ और शरीर एक साथ घूमते रहे. मैदा, कॉर्नफ्लावर, शुगर सिरप जो स्टिकी हो. स्टिकी का मतलब समझते हो ना? इस तरीके से उसे मलना है और उसमें कलर जो आप अपने चेहरे पर भी लगा सकते हैं और जलेबी में भी दिख सकता है. उसे लगाइए, अच्छे से बुनिए, अपने हाथों का इस्तेमाल कीजिए और फिर उस जलेबी को गरम हॉट तेल में डालिए और उसे राउंड एंड राउंड.
Oh my God! यहाँ पे पानी छूट रहा है, guys. Oh my God! What a performance!
Please take it. आपका crown.
And I don't think I'm going to get it so easily. Wait. She's finding reasons why. She's finding reasons. I cannot believe it. I don't know what to do, guys. I don't want to be a part of this shit. This is bullshit.
It's very difficult, but हाथों का इस्तेमाल आपने बहुत अच्छे से किया है. And, जो गम है आपका, जो हम इटली में नहीं है, आई कुड फील इट, आई कुड फील इट. सो मैं म्यूजिक, घड़िया.
What the hell is this music for? कमीनी, मैं जीत गई हूँ. हाँ, क्या प्रॉब्लम, कितना तेरा ईगो है यार, कितना गंदा ईगो है तेरा.
I think well deserved, but very unfortunate. This round's winner is Urmit Vijaykar.
Finally,
A whopping
finally,
50
finally.
points. Wow, who would have thought? Who would have thought?
Everybody, literally everyone.
With 130 points just by Nick. Urmin has won this competition and Hiral is on 100 points.
Now I can cry with my tiramisu. I'll eat tiramisu now.
Lady finger.
Lady finger biscuits.
I'm so happy, guys, that you guys have ये पड़ाव आपने पार कर दिया. Very good.
Oh, do you want us to say good things about you? Because we won't.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I have
Abhi
one,
kya?
so now you can't do anything about it.
I like the
Anisha, you were
third round, which was the
so
nicest
damn
round.
mean. I hate you.
Okay, now we can still change the. If y'all say दो मेरे बारे में दो तारीफें अगर करोगे तो फिर I can change the points.
Oh my God. I can do it.
Actually,
I
ना
can do it.
ये
So you know what happened? How I met Nisha for the very first time. वो रणवीर सिंह दीपिका वो मैं बैठी थी, मैं फीवर ऑफिस में से बैठी थी. फीवर ऑफिस का दरवाजा खुला, वहां से ऐसे विंड आ रही थी, निशा के बाल उड़ रहे थे, एंड शी वाज लुकिंग सो प्रिटी. आई एम टेलिंग यू, मेरा बाइट ऐसे रह गया और मैं देखती रह गई. Who is walking? What is this hotness? What is this hotness?
बस thanks.
50.
Hiral, you're at 150 now. Urmin, you want to say something?
Yeah, I think I'd rather lose but say good things about you. So I'm absolutely okay losing. No, Nisha, please,
it's a
you
Swiss
take that porcupine of
Urmin
yours
mute. Urmin
and
mute.
use it wherever you want to. It's the most that I can do.
बहुत ही बढ़िया competition, guys, and the winner of this quiz has been Hiral Made. Change the ending.
Our tables have turned.
That's what they say.
I
Good
can't believe मैंने इस shit के लिए अपने बच्चे को जल्दी सुलाया.
happen to good people who give good tarif for others.
So guys, this was our a 2 episode podcast because इसके बाद I don't think I'm going to be part of it.
But you are going to be the host now.
Oh
You can
wait,
take
yes, I'm
badla.
the host now. Don't forget to tune in the next time क्योंकि मैं host होने वाली हूँ and मैं कुछ ऐसा करने वाली
Game
हूँ.
on, bestie. Yeah.
Agree. Game on. Game on. Game on. Game on.
But 2-0.
I just want to say that Hiral has won fair and square. It was amazing. It was fab.
That's true. And Urmin, how does it
Especially
feel to
that
lose?
last wala episode. I mean, I
Feel
see
to lose
I'm
2 times in a row.
ऐसा लग रहा है
yeah, both
आपको अंदर
times
से कैसा लग
were
रहा है?
cheating for sure. Both times were like cheating
Hey,
on me.
the first
Clearly,
time I
Don't
won
throw,
fair and
yaar,
square,
this
guys, please
episode.
go back to YouTube, check our first episode. I have won hands down. Like,
I agree.
and I
agree.
never lie, guys. I believe in the
it's okay, guys. मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है मेरी सच्चाई के अलावा.
मुझको
सच्चाई
लगा
के
बोली कि
अलावा.
मेरे पास माँ है. But okay.
This was the
मैं
end.
खुद माँ हूँ. मैं रख रही हूँ. Bye. See you guys.
Bye, guys. I love you.
Bye.